Hi, and welcome to Brilliant Links. I'm Victoria, and I'm excited to tell you about the new opportunities that we have created here. It's going to help you to grow in real estate, whether you're just getting started or you're looking to expand your real estate portfolio. You've come to the right place. So, let's talk about our real estate investor marketplace. It's active, it's powerful, it's where you're going to find fix and flip deals, rental, co living, Airbnb, lease purchase, portfolios, whatever it is you can imagine, it's probably in our marketplace. And because we are real estate investor agents, we do have relationships with a lot of our investors. Some are in state and some are out of the country. So we do have access to potentially negotiate you terms that might not otherwise be available. So that is another incentive of being a part of our Accelerator program, which I'm going to talk about next. So let's talk about the Accelerator program, the awesome and amazing Accelerator program, because nobody else is doing it like this. So this program is designed to help teach you the mindset and the strategies that are necessary to get into the type of deals that I mentioned earlier on. We're going to help you to also build a team. You're going to need a team to close these deals. You may need a lender, contractor, real estate attorney you're definitely going to need a real estate attorney. We're going to put you in touch with different experts and professionals that are in this field to help you get your team built throughout this process. We also are going to give you weekly one-on-one coaching. And that's whether you take the 8-week program or the 3-day accelerator. All of these things will be included as well. And that is what makes our program so unique, because we pair the marketplace alongside the accelerator program to give you a real life experience. We're going to be analyzing real life deals. And if you see one that you like, you're more than welcome to put in a contract or try to negotiate terms for that particular deal. So that is awesome. That is so awesome and amazing. Let's go ahead and recap the unique value proposition that Brilliant Links is bringing to you. It's the marketplace times the accelerator program. Whether you're new to investing or you are a real estate agent wanting to embody the mindset of an investor so that you can create your unique niche business to work alongside investors. We are giving you access. It's no more hunting down deals. It's no more trying to build a trustworthy team of experts to help you close those deals. And it's no more trying to figure out what strategy is going to work best for you to actually get into a deal. All of that will be addressed within the Accelerator program. And we have a bonus for you. Check out our Earn While You Learn program. It's a part of the Accelerator program, and it's a way for you to earn money based off of your hard work of learning how to analyze deals. Check out the website for that information. So I'm going to go ahead and close this thing out. You can find all of this information at brilliantlinks.com, and hopefully I have addressed all of your questions, concerns. If not, I would love for you to submit a contact form on our website where George and I can address any concern that you may have preventing you from moving forward with the program. It's an awesome and amazing opportunity. We will be holding the program with small groups of people so you can receive that one-on-one attention that you need. My name is Victoria, and I hope to see you soon in the investor marketplace, which doesn't require you to be a part of the Accelerator program. You can join our email list for this, or maybe I'll see you at the Accelerator program, which includes both. Either way, I'll see you soon.